In the oftentimes chaotic world of business and life, organization is a fundamental skill that everybody must learn to master. The good news is that there are a plethora of organizational tools for not just business, but for just about every other aspect of your life as well. The following organizational tools are guaranteed to enhance productivity in 2022. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first tool that every working professional would be wise to add to their repertoire in 2022 is Slack. Slack is an instant messaging system that allows workplaces to create themed chat channels and send direct messages within an organization. Moreover, the layout is incredibly clean and searchable, making it a go-to strategy tool for organizing tasks. Not only is Slack a vital tool for fast and efficient collaboration, but it also serves as a record of any important directions or information that has been discussed with team members. With Slack, users can not only instant message, but also set availability statuses to focus on individual tasks, share a variety of different file formats, as well as conduct voice and video calls with team members. Beyond this, there's also a simple search bar featured at the top of the application that allows you to search for keywords and filter by channel or individual. There's no denying that email is still an essential part for most people's days, but Slack's instant messaging style can help to boost organization as well as productivity. If you follow along with our channel, then chances are that you've likely heard us talk about Trello on more than one occasion. Trello is an intuitively designed and extremely popular service for managing, organizing, and sharing everything from simple to-dos to major project management tasks. Essentially acting as a customizable digital bulletin board or Kanban-style board, Trello users can create lists that vary from notes, tasks, thoughts, pictures, and more, then drag and drop them up and down the line onto the Trello board, which are then stored in cards that can be arranged even further into columns. Plus, there's even an entire library of power-ups, which are custom cards that allow you to integrate a host of third-party services into your workflow, such as Evernote, GitHub, MailChimp, OneDrive, Slack, Twitter, Zendesk, and more. On top of all this, Trello also allows you to share these thoughts and tasks with other users, and even make up new cards and add comments as well, making it one of the best all-round tools for staying organized and productive in 2022. Another app that's steadily become one of the most talked about organization and productivity tools is Notion. Notion is a workspace platform for organizing, processing, and managing information, data, content, and media files. It essentially combines the capabilities and features of several online tools, allowing you to manage tasks, take notes, create spreadsheets, collaborate on documents, databases, and much more. With Notion in your back pocket, you can create a central knowledge base of essential information for all team members, as well as share documents and rich media files with others. Moreover, you can also work on tasks with other team members in real time, thanks to Notion's live collaboration tool, and even manage projects further using their highly customizable Kanban boards and calendars. Notion refers to itself as the missing half of Slack, which it integrates with perfectly to create a single location for all the resources necessary to keep team members up to date and on task. All in all, if you're tired of using a dozen different productivity tools, Notion aims to provide a single platform that replaces a half dozen of these apps. Jira is an agile project management software that is used worldwide by development teams to help plan, track, and release software. It's a tremendously popular tool that's specifically designed to enhance productivity for agile teams. Outside of things like creating stories, planning sprints, tracking issues, and shipping up-to-date software, users can also generate reports that help to improve team efficiency, as well as create their very own workflows. Moreover, as a part of Atlassian, Jira integrates with a number of tools that allow teams to manage their projects and products from end to end. Jira software is specifically engineered for every member of your software team to plan, track, and release quality software with ease. There's no denying that every team has their own unique way of shipping software. Luckily, with Jira, you can either use an out-of-the-box workflow or create your very own to match the way your team works. Regardless, Jira is a phenomenal task management tool for teams that plan and build important products. A platform that was once solely used by gamers, Discord has emerged over the past couple years as a go-to communication service for businesses as well. One of the number one features that draws people to Discord is the fact that it's 100% free to use. Users can create an account, build a server, and add others to it with a Discord invite link for no cost, as well as text, voice, and video chat, along with screen sharing entirely for free. Another amazing feature that Discord has is with its high server limits, as servers can support up to 250,000 members and 25,000 simultaneous online members, which is more than enough for almost any business team. Moreover, servers can also support up to 500 separate channels, so you can keep conversations organized under hundreds of different topics. In terms of security features, users are covered with Discord 2FA and a client-server architecture that keeps your IP securely locked down. All in all, Discord is a truly multifunctional platform that can, and should, be used by a variety of businesses to communicate, collaborate, and build connections. Another astounding tool that doesn't get nearly the recognition it deserves is Miro. Miro provides users with a flexible and collaborative canvas and web whiteboard that enables teams to plan in a way that works best for them, offering accessible visual mapping and diagramming that allows teams to build and develop ideas with distributed teams as if they were all in the same room. Regardless of how your teams are set up, Miro provides an intuitive and in-person collaboration experience with a variety of options for real-time teamwork on an online and easy-to-use whiteboard. Furthermore, the tool integrates with other popular tools like Dropbox, Box, Google Suite, Jira, Slack, and Sketch to blend into your existing workflow with ease. As if all of this wasn't already enough to convince you, Miro makes it incredibly easy to start a free account and immediately set up planning templates in which users can try out various mind map templates or use sticky notes, digital markers, shapes, and much more. Plus, even though Miro is free to use for up to 3 editable boards, they also offer paid plans for bigger teams between 2 and 19 people. Altogether, forming one of the best collaboration and organization tools of 2022. Asana is another wonderfully efficient tool that's perfect for organizing projects. It's basically an advanced management software that helps to increase communication across the workspace, while also making tasks more manageable. Similar to Trello, Asana allows your team to know what to do, why it matters, and how to get it done. It also allows you to see your work in a variety of displays, such as lists, timeline, calendars, boards, Gantt, and more. Beyond its ability to help manage projects, Asana is also a fantastic tool for increasing the quality of work communication. Thanks to Asana, the need for emails is eliminated by integrating an equivalent way of connection into the task management process. Asana also carries an amazing interface that is fast, stunning, rich in features, and incredibly responsive. Furthermore, this application allows you to add files up to 100 megabytes with no storage limit whatsoever. However, this program is not for you if you're hoping to assign tasks to multiple people at once. So keep this in mind. JetBrains is a spectacular platform that makes professional software development a more productive and enjoyable experience. JetBrains offers a variety of tools that are designed to help users explore and familiarize themselves with code bases faster, allowing you to take care of quality during all stages of development and spend less time on maintenance tasks. JetBrains has a number of tremendous collaboration, organization, and productivity tools, but there's perhaps none greater than JetBrains Space, an integrated team environment and all-in-one collaboration solution that covers software development, project team management, and communications. JetBrains Space allows you to establish a customizable and integrated code review process with or without formal rules. Furthermore, Space's turn-based code reviews make the process of reviewing code ridiculously easy for both the author and reviewer. With that being said, JetBrains Space is not limited to just code reviews. In fact, it's a unified platform that covers the entire software development pipeline, from hosting Git repositories, automating CI/CD, publishing packages, and orchestrating cloud dev environments, to managing issues, documents, and chats, all in one place. Remember the Milk is one of the oldest to-do apps on the market. Nevertheless, it is incredibly versatile, easy to use, and tailored to improve organization and productivity. As a to-do list app, Remember the Milk allows you to add all things you have to do, whether that be today, tomorrow, next week, or even next year. They don't necessarily have to be job-related tasks either. You can also use Remember the Milk to create shopping lists, as well as reminders for personal deadlines or events. Plus, to make your tasks list even more organized, Remember the Milk provides a list feature to allow you to put together tasks with the same topics. When adding a new task, Remember the Milk allows you to set a due date, assign it to others, set the priority, add in specific notes, and even set reminders as well. Not only that, but Remember the Milk also comes with a row of shortcuts to save you time, recognizes several keywords for repetitive tasks, and even supports tags, which can be further organized by color. All things considered, if you're in search of a tool to create task lists that allow you to access the tasks you've created across different devices, look no further than Remember the Milk. Todoist is an exceptionally powerful and popular organization tool that can be used to help manage time as well as projects. Despite straddling the line between multiple genres, Todoist remains incredibly easy to use, making it ideal for managing multiple projects with ease, while still being able to glance at the work ahead. The application gives you both a daily and weekly overview of what work still needs to get done, what appointment you have coming up, or whatever else you need to keep track of. Plus, if you're working with a large group of people and find that your workload is starting to increase, you can always delegate tasks to others. Not only that, but Todoist also offers integration with dozens of apps and services, so it can tie in well with your existing workflow. With the free version alone, you can work with up to 5 people and have 80 projects active at once, which should be more than sufficient for most people. But if you do feel that you need more collaboration features, then you can always upgrade to Todoist's relatively inexpensive premium or business plan, allowing you to get all of your most important tasks finished on time when it matters most. Organization is a fundamental skill in every aspect of life, but especially when it comes down to work and productivity. However, hopefully, with some of the aforementioned apps and services by your side, you can find new and inventive ways to manage your time and the tasks at hand. Before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any new videos we post. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts on today's video. Until next time!